the R20 needs to be out front. Para pag yung inspector makikita niya, kita niya kagad R20.
Installing vapor barrier is a crucial step on your walls, is essential for protecting your home from moisture damage. This process involves applying a plastic or foil sheet to the interior side of the wall, usually after the insulation, to block water vapor from entering the wall cavity. Without a vapor barrier, moisture can build up in the insulation, reducing its effectiveness and create conditions for molds and mildew growth. Proper installation of a vapor barrier ensures dry, efficient insulation, prevents structural damage, and helps maintain the energy efficiency of your home.